Choose our stress-relieving school supplies when you are on edge. Let's take slime out of a notebook, or write with a long liana. Twist a ruler, and you can always correct your mistakes with a pineapple. Watch these and other weird stress relievers in our new video. We are getting ready to take a test, and there's still a backlog of paperwork to catch up on. However, we seem to not be alone under this tree. Someone is spying on us. Oh my God, it's a disgusting caterpillar. Don't eat me, please. Nothing to worry about. This caterpillar is just a pencil. Wet felt, light green wool. Dip it into water and then into liquid soap. Roll a ball. Repeat it until the ball turns thick. Make a few wool beads of different sizes. Make through holes in the balls using an awl. Thread them onto thick wire starting from the biggest to the smallest. Hot glue the end balls. Attach pencil lead to the end of the caterpillar body. Make eyes on its head with hot glue. When dry, shade the glue with a black marker. Make glints of light with correction fluid. Fearless Dolly takes this green monster into her hands. She wants to tame it, but the caterpillar appears actually not as frightening as it seemed from the first glance. It's lovely. Besides, it turns out to be very handy. It is so soft to write with it. This caterpillar totally distracted us. We missed the beginning of our classes while we were sitting in the park. Now we will have to run. Hurry up! Otherwise, we will be punished. And we will keep taking extra classes until the end of summer. But Redhead notices something in the grass. An unusual flower bed. I wonder what that is. Cut a green foam rubber sheet into stripes that are of the same width as a notebook. Fold them and make fringe. Cut off the edges randomly. Hot glue the strip in half. Cut off the bottom and attach the grass to the notebook. Cover the entire surface this way. Make fringe on wide strips of pink foam rubber. Roll up, fasten the end, and fan out the flower. Hot glue the flowers to the grass. This artificial lawn is so pleasant to touch, and it feels even better than real grass because you won't meet any insects and bugs in it. There are only paper pages, but we got distracted again. We have to run. It's a thorny path to knowledge. Redhead runs too fast and falls into a flower bed. Oh, it's been an epic fall. She finds a weird flower among the other plants. She can't figure out what it is. A flower, a liana, or a pen. Twist wire and wind it around a ballpoint pen refill. Hot glue the end. Wind thick knitting yarn tightly on top. Pull a green balloon on it. Cut out green foam rubber leaves. Shape them with your fingers and hot glue them across the entire stem. Twist the pen like a liana. Fold a strip of foam rubber sheet in half and cut it out to make fringe. Roll it up to make a flower. Wrap the bottom with a piece of green foam rubber and attach the flower to the end of the pen. Dolly hurries up her friend. Wait, I think it's a magical flower. We can write a message to our teacher to say we're late due to unforeseen circumstances. But we will come soon, and while my friend is writing, I can calm down, touching the graceful flower. In the meantime, Miss Smith is totally alone waiting for her students to come. She looks at the clock from time to time, having no idea what to do. I can play with my favorite pink pony while there's nobody around. At last, the message is written. We send it via flowergram. Done and delivered. The message on flowergram drives the teacher crazy. We'll come soon. On our way. How dare they be so late? I've been waiting for them for half an hour. Miss Smith needs to calm down right now. It's great that she has pink slime hidden in her notebooks. Attach notebooks to each other to get a pile. Hot glue the pages from the sides too so that they do not open. Cut out a rectangle inside. Make slime. Mix stationery glue and acrylic paint. Add starch. Put in some liquid laundry detergent and a little baking soda. Put the slime inside the pile of notebooks when it is ready. Miss Smith puts her hand into her secret stress reliever. It's so satisfying. I wish I could stretch time like this slime and escape from this class. But Miss Smith can't run away because she's a teacher, and the girls skip just half of the class. They are lucky to get there in time for the second half. Redhead is very anxious, asking her friend to check her home task. Dolly finds a mistake there. Oh, it's a disaster! Don't worry. A cute pineapple will help you calm down and correct your mistakes. Cut a yellow sponge in half and attach the two parts to each other lengthwise. Make slanted cuts along the entire sponge. Make cuts in the opposite direction to get diamonds. Hot glue the sponge to a correction fluid bottle. Cut off the excess. Trim the sponge on top to make it look like a pineapple. Cut out a green foam rubber sheet aslant and cut out triangular leaves on it. Hot glue the detail to the cap. Start on the top of the cap and attach the big leaves first, moving spirally downwards. I correct Redhead's mistakes quickly with the correction fluid while she relieves stress with a soft pineapple. There's nothing to worry about. The pineapple stress reliever copes with everything. Redhead is happy that her homework is ready to be checked. Dolly is outraged. Her school supplies have gotten hostile towards her and it stresses her out. The ruler doesn't help her draw a straight line. It will regret it. Dolly, calm down. Here you are. Take a friendly ruler stress reliever. Cut out a foam rubber strip to be of the same width as a ruler. Make hatch marks on it and add figures. Redhead pulls a soft ruler out of her hand like a magician. This handy stress reliever refuses being broken. You can squeeze it, crumple, and twist it, but you won't be able to break it. Dolly adores soft school supplies. Dolly's stress is on edge. Where are all of her stress relievers when she needs them the most? This pencil case is no good. I can't reduce agitation with it, and it is impossible to find the thing you need in it. My friend turns purple with rage, so I give her my grapefruit. More precisely, my squishy grapefruit, which conceals softness, and a pencil case. We will need 2 big sponges. Trace a sponge on a piece of paper and cut it out. Draw a template of a grapefruit slice and cut it out. Trace the template on the sponges. Make 2 of the same details. Snip off the excess. Use the same template to make 2 felt semicircles. Cut them out, letting them be joined on the bottom. Hot glue the outer edges. Turn it right side out. Hot glue a zipper. Trace the sponge on a white foam rubber sheet. Cut out 2 details, making allowances. Make 2 red foam rubber strips of the needed size. Cut out a paper half circle of the same size as the main detail and fold it in half 3 times in a row. Snip off 1/2 inch across the edge. This is a paper template of an inside segment. Trace it on the red foam rubber sheet and cut out 10 segments. The details are ready. Assemble the pencil case. Attach the red foam rubber strip to the outer edge of the grapefruit slice. Hot glue the white foam rubber semicircle to the side. Attach the red segments on top of it. Decorate the second detail in the same way. Put in the zipped felt pocket in between. There's only peel left to be added. Attach a yellow foam rubber strip to the outer edge. Dolly's mood becomes better once she takes the soft pencil case into her hands. All her rage goes away, and only tenderness is left. They say a grapefruit is healthy, and they're right. Miss Smith thinks that we're eating in class again. Keep calm. It's just a pencil case. Did you like our weird stress relievers? Then write in your comments which stress toy you are going to make for keeping yourself calm during your extra summer class. And don't forget—
Do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind.